Hello everyone, Trina here. So today I went and got some coffee and I was just thinking, I wonder if I could make a piece of work with just using only pieces from this coffee cup. So we've got this sleeve, got this cup and this lid. So let's see what we can make with this using our jelly plate and some tissue paper and some other materials. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint on some sumi ink onto here and just press it onto here. Let's see what we get. What if we did... It's kind of hard to get the ink in there. This is going to be messy. Didn't really work as well as I thought it would. Okay, so now we're gonna paint the bottom here of this. Let's just press this on here. Oh, that's working much better. Let's do a few more. It was a little wet, but I think that's gonna work. Let's let that dry. So now I'm gonna take this ring here and do kind of what I did the last time. I'm gonna maybe just cut some shapes out. And sort of these landscapey lines. Ooh, that's nice. Like that. What about if we did like, kind of looks like a fish. And then maybe cut that piece off. Let's do just one that's like, we got these 4 pieces. So we're gonna use this Payne's Gray. Get started. Let's start off with I'm gonna make some marks here. Let's try this guy first. That's fun. Let's let that dry. Actually, we're not gonna let it dry. We're gonna go ahead and print that off. Let's do another one. I need some more Payne's Gray. I'm gonna do it this way. It's kind of curly. do. Ooh, that's fun. So that's what it looks like so far. I kind of like it. I like it, I like it. I'm gonna go in with this yellow ochre golden color. Let's see what happens here. At the bottom. These are transparent colors, so it should work. Should be able to see the other color underneath. I already used that one. I'm gonna use this one this time again. Maybe a little bit of that one too. Let's see what happens. And this is just deli paper that I'm using to take off the excess color. It sort of worked. I think I need to get that color gone. Okay, let's see what we get. It's hard to tell, but I think it's gonna be cool. Okay, so I'm using this piece of tape over here just to register so I don't have to, everything's in the right spot. Turned out pretty cool. Okay, I think we need to add some stencils next. So I've got some matte medium. And I cut out some of that tissue paper that I just made. I'm just gonna lay this down. I don't know that it's completely dry. I hope it's dry. Otherwise it's gonna make a big mess. It's kind of dry. Okay, the Sumi ink looks like it's coming up. That's not good, but we are gonna make it work. This is messy as F. Oh, it's not coming up. I think my brush is just dirty, but it's kind of neat. It's kind of got a little bit of that ink in there. We'll make it work. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go in with some of these Sumi or the Kirataki colors here. I think I'm gonna go in with this yellow because I spotted it. I think that orange is gonna have to go in there somewhere. So let's just paint on some of this and see how it works. I don't want to cover up those lines though. Maybe some up here. I really like those marks right there. I want to extend this out a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with a very messy. And we're just gonna kind of add in some more lines with this Inktense pen. I'm gonna give it need some more lines going through there. Trying to mimic what I got over here, but not exactly. I probably should have taped this off so I had more of a, oh, it kind of looks stuck on. Let's bring some of this back over here. Okay, I need something up here now. I wonder. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is We're gonna take some of this blue and we're gonna paint it onto the stencil, onto here, under our, because I want more of those lines. I think I got too much paint over here, but that's okay. I think it's gonna be kind of cool. Let's see what happens. I kind of want it to be like right here. So let's see what happens. It should print. Ooh, that's fun. Now I'm gonna go in with this orange color, sort of, I don't know what color it is. Orange. Let's paint. Let's do the same thing, but with this stencil down here for this mask. This is just another way to use it. You don't have to use it on the jelly plate. You can always do it this way. Ooh, I like that. But I think it might need more down here. Let's put another. I don't want it to be, I think right here. These are not gonna last long, but I might have to steal a whole bunch of these from Starbucks because I like the lines. All right, I think I got enough lines. What do you think? Okay, we're gonna get bold. I'm gonna go in with my big giant brush here and pick up just some of this bluish green color. See what happens, because I need something down here. Maybe a little more painterly. This brush is so fun. I don't like that. Okay, so one last thing. I want to go in here. I think I need more lines down here. I'll scratch back into this. Let's see what we get. There we go. Now it's feeling. It's lacking a little energy down here at the bottom. And this drawing paper was not the best idea. I probably should have used a better paper, but it was just an experiment, so I didn't want to waste good paper. Gotta get out of that mindset. Does it need some black? I think it needs black. I feel like it needs black. Okay, we're gonna go in with some Lyra. And also, is it too many lines? I don't think so. Oh, I like that. That's fun. Let's do a nice line here. These are really great to work with. We put to dip them in water first. Get some really bold color. I kind of want to go up between these lines. Maybe some smudgy marks down here. Okay, I think I'm done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This was just a quick demo, but I love it. I'm loving printing with this cardboard. I think it's a really neat technique. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Have a good weekend. Bye.